It's a huge honor to have one of the finest actresses in Indian cinema ever, Karishma Kapoor, with us on Baradangama. Pleasure having you back on Baradangama.
Thank you so much.
And Karishma is doing a photo shoot with Avinash Duwalkar right now. So Avinash is one of the finest photographers that we have, and how's the experience of you?
Well, it's always a pleasure to work with him.
Yeah.
I can tell you a very interesting story about Avi.
Sure.
Is that the first time he came for film shooting, and when he had just started his career, it's a very interesting story. We were shooting for Raja Hindustani.
Okay.
And I was doing a very important scene, like a emotional scene, one of the most important scenes of the movie.
Right.
And there was this really tall guy over the camera with this bada fancy lens, un dino ke liye.
Right.
And not that that's very long ago, but anyway. So I was like getting distracted, kacha, very fast, he was clicking. I was like, who is that? Poor guy, it was his first day on a film shoot, but ever since then, I fired him so much because, and I normally don't do that.
Right.
Because a बहुत बड़ा emotional scene चल रहा था. And I think after that, we broke the ice and we became really good friends. And ever since then, we've done so many iconic films together. We've, been on set together. It's always a pleasure to work with him.
Could you please name a few of the films that you've worked together?
Well, of course, Raja Hindustani,
Right.
then all David G movies.
Okay.
All of them, Avi's been a big part of them. So, from the publicity to, coming on outdoors, us working together. And I think some iconic shots, Jodwa, Hero Number One, BB Number One, so all the movies, yes.
Okay, so how was the experience of today? Because I was observing that you guys were doing it very quickly.
Yes.
I think that should comfort the
He's one of the fastest photographers that I know. Once the shot has happened, he's like, okay, chalo, back up, jaldi karo.
Right.
So he knows exactly what he wants, and he makes, I think, everyone very comfortable in the set.
You spoke about Jodwa right now. Jodwa 2 is being made as well,
Oh,
and they'll be getting. In fact, I spoke to Varun recently. He said that Tantanata will be playing
Oh
one
my
more
God,
song
that's
as well.
great.
So, you find it exciting that a movie that you were part of is being
Well, absolutely, and of course, with the combination of David G and Sajid and now Varun, the next generation, I think it's going to be really fun. I'm looking forward to it.
In fact, your porn fans keep on this tweeting all the time that you have a very interesting fan club. I'm sure that you're aware of it as well, and they keep on posting pictures of you anywhere and everywhere. They have this question that when are you going to be just making a comeback? You're looking amazing right now as well, so when you see you.
Thank you so much, but I've not decided anything. I think in my life I've never really planned anything. जो कुछ हुआ है, it's been destiny.
Right.
So I think जब मुझे कोई अच्छी film पसंद आए, or if I like a script, I may do it. If not, maybe not. I don't know. I'm not sure.
Right now, we'd like to do a rapid fire.
Okay.
So let's it should be interesting.
Oh my God. Okay.
So the first one is, who according to you is the current Raja Hindustani of Bollywood?
Oh my God. I can't answer that. I have so many friends, actors who are friends and who are working now.
Right.
But I have to say Salman Khan.
Salman Khan?
Yes.
Okay, and at that point of time, the movie was also called Rani. It could have easily been called Rani
Oh my
Hindustani
God.
as well.
No, thank you.
One of your, I think, first big films as an actress. You were really applauded for that.
Well, thank you so much. I think there have been a few others also.
I
Apart
was
from
saying
that.
first in 1996, initially.
I think 96 was a career-defining year for me
Jeet.
because we had Jeet also,
Correct.
and followed by Raja Hindustani.
Right.
So yes, definitely I think, but I'd like to just say one thing, that all my films, I'd say, have contributed to my career. I don't want to just name, super hit films or blockbusters. I think every movie that I've acted in, each film that's released has been a stepping stone for me to, achieve something in that.
Absolutely. If given a chance to star in a remake of your own film,
Oh
which
my
film
God.
would it be?
That's a very interesting question. I don't know. A remake of. Okay, I'd say Andaz Apna. I want to do that all over again.
My God. It's become like an iconic film in many ways. A song of yours that you think still tops the playlist of many?
Definitely, I think Le Gaye, Le Gaye.
Ah.
Yeah, and I think there's so many. I think I've been lucky in my career to have had so many great songs. But I think Le Gaye, Le Gaye, it's just been one song that, wherever I go, I always hear that play.
Okay, from your first film till now, who has been your favorite co-star?
Very difficult question. I'm not answering. I have many favorite co-stars.
You are like Salman and you are Govinda. And
Yes, of course. I think all of that. I think what is unique is that I've shared a great chemistry, on screen and off screen. Great friendships, great camaraderie. That has gone, for nearly 20 years,
Absolutely.
25 years of friendship with them.
Right.
We all started our careers together.
Right.
And I'm so happy to see them doing so well and doing such a great job.
Right. Who according to you will suit the best opposite Varun Dhawan and Jova too?
Oh my god, that's a tough question. I really don't know. I can't answer that. Who would I think would suit the role?
Someone bubbly and someone.
It would be nice to see maybe Alia Bhatt do a role like that. A little more bubbly and fun, and a little more, in that sense, desi commercial.
Absolutely.
Very, yeah.
Okay, being half Sindhi, what has been your favorite delicacy?
Oh my god, I don't know, many people ask me this Punjabi question, but that's a really good one because I share a secret with you all that I eat papad every day. So I think I like Sindhi curry, chook and papad.
Great. Raja Hindustani, Dutto Pagale or Janwar, if you can pick your favorite film.
I have too many favorites. Like I just told you, I cannot name one particular movie. I shouldn't name. Like I said, they've all contributed to my career. So I won't want to just pick a favorite.
This was outstanding.
Thank you.
An actor from the current slot you would love to work with?
Wow. Maybe Ranveer Singh.
Ranveer Singh.
Mm.
That's interesting. A genre of films you always wanted to be a part of but never got a chance. Is there any?
Well, again, I'd say I think I've been very lucky in my career that I got a chance to do, commercial films at the same time, meaningful cinema films like Fiza and Zubeda. At the same time, I did women-centric films, even commercial films, or like DV number 1. They were commercial movies but women-centric, around the central characters. So I think I've been very lucky. So in that sense, I don't feel like I missed out.
What is the best thing about your Bollywood career?
Well, I think it's been a great experience for me, and I've grown up in the industry. I think that's what's been so special, that people, the audience, the industry, my co-stars, directors, technicians, they've shown me so much love and respect, and I think I've gained that over the years, and it's literally been a stepping stone. I started my career when I was 16 years old, straight out of school. So I've literally grown up here, and I think it's been an amazing experience, which I wouldn't trade for anything.
Fantastic. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Looking forward to hopefully seeing you very soon in the movies once
Thank
again.
you so much.
And you're looking amazing right now, and thank you very much for your time. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.